How to invest your time and money wisely. Are you finding yourself short on time and money? Are you unsure of how to invest your resources in order to get the most return? If so, don't worry, you're not alone. In this blog post, we'll outline a few tips on how to make the most of your time and money. 1. Make a budget. Before you can invest your time or money wisely, you need to figure out how much you have of each to start with. This is where creating a budget comes in handy. A budget is simply a plan for how you will spend your money each month. To create a budget, start by adding up all of your income for the month. Then, list out all of your monthly expenses, including both fixed costs, like rent and utilities, and variable costs, like food and entertainment. Finally, subtract your total expenses from your total income to see how much money you have left over each month. This leftover money is what you can use to invest in your future, whether it's by saving for retirement or taking classes to improve your career prospects. By creating a budget, you can make sure that you are making the most of every dollar you earn. 2. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming, so many people choose to spend their time and money on things that do not improve their own lives. If you want to make wise investments, start with yourself. Use your time to learn new skills, gain knowledge, and grow as a person. Spend your money on experiences and items that will enrich your life and help you reach your goals. When you invest in yourself, you are making an investment that will pay off for years to come. 3. Invest in experiences. When it comes to investing your time and money, there are many different options to choose from. Some people prefer to invest in tangible things like property or stocks, while others choose to invest in experiences. While both options have their own merits, investing in experiences can be especially beneficial. For one thing, experiences can provide lasting memories that will continue to bring happiness long after the initial investment has been made. In addition, experiences often broaden our horizons and help us to see the world in new ways. For invest in relationships. How to invest your time and money wisely. Invest in relationships. We all want to know how to get the most out of our lives. There are numerous ways to do this, but one of the best is to invest in relationships. Friends, family, and even acquaintances can enrich our lives in ways that money can't buy. They provide us with companionship, love, and support during difficult times. Furthermore, research has shown that strong social networks can lead to better mental and physical health. 5. Give back. It's no secret that time and money are two of the most important things in life. They're also two of the things that people seem to struggle with the most. If you're not careful, it's easy to let time slip away without accomplishing anything meaningful. And if you're not proactive about saving and investing your money, it can be easy to end up in a difficult financial situation. However, if you're intentional about how you use your time and money, you can make a big difference in your life and the lives of others. One way to do this is to invest your time and money in giving back. Whether you volunteer your time to a local organization or donate money to a worthy cause, giving back is a great way to make a difference in the world. Not only will you feel good about yourself, but you'll also be helping to make the world a better place. 6. Start a side hustle to bring in extra income. Time and money are two of the most important resources that anyone has. Invest them wisely and you can enjoy a bright future. However, squander them and you'll find yourself struggling to make ends meet. So, how can you ensure that you're investing your time and money wisely? One option is to start a side hustle. By using your evenings and weekends to earn extra income, you can help to offset the costs of living and free up more of your disposable income. This can then be used to pay off debts, save for retirement, or simply enjoy a better standard of living. What's more, by starting a side hustle, you'll also be gaining valuable experience and skills that could help you in your career. 7. Celebrate when you reach your financial goals. Anyone who has ever achieved a financial goal knows that it is a great feeling. Perhaps you have finally paid off all of your debt, or maybe you have reached your savings goals. Whatever the case may be, it is important to celebrate your accomplishment. Not only will this help to keep you motivated, but it will also remind you of why you are working so hard in the first place. Of course, this does not mean that you should go out and spend all of your money recklessly. Instead, consider investing your time and money wisely by taking some time to enjoy yourself and reward yourself for a job well done. This could mean taking a vacation, buying a new outfit, or treating yourself to a nice dinner. Just remember to stay disciplined and keep your long-term financial goals in mind. With a little effort, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. 8. Set aside money for emergencies. How many times have you been caught off guard by an unexpected bill? If you're like most people, the answer is probably too many to count. It's not surprising that so many of us struggle with saving money. It is always better to be prepared for an emergency than to have to scramble to find the money when one pops up. Setting aside money each month into a savings account or investing in a short-term CD are both great options. This way, when an unexpected car repair or vet bill comes up, you will have the money to pay for it without having to put it on a credit card and accrue interest. You will also sleep better at night knowing that you are prepared for whatever life throws your way. Investing your time and money wisely now will pay off in the long run. 9. Don't buy things you don't need. We have all been there before. You see something that you just have to have, whether it is the latest fashion trend or gadget, and before you know it, you are standing at the cash register shelling out your hard-earned money. But what if instead of impulsively buying things we don't need, we took a step back and thought about how we could invest our time and money more wisely? For example, instead of buying that new jacket that you will only wear a few times, why not use that money to invest in yourself by taking a class or buying a book on a topic you are interested in? Or instead of wasting your time browsing social media for hours on end, use that time to read a good book or take a walk outside and get some fresh air. There are endless possibilities of how we can invest our time and money more wisely if we just take a moment to think about it. So next time you are tempted to make an impulse purchase, ask yourself if there is a better way to invest your time and money. 10. Spend time with family and friends. As we go through life, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We become so focused on our work, our hobbies, and our personal goals that we can lose sight of the people who matter most to us. Family and friends are the ones who have been there for us through thick and thin, and spending time with them is crucial to maintaining those relationships. Whether it's going out for coffee, taking a walk together, or just sitting down for a conversation, taking the time to connect with our loved ones is an important part of life. By making an effort to spend time with those we care about, we can keep our relationships strong and enrich our lives in the process. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this.